Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. As human beings, we all have the ability to accomplish great things and reach our goals. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of our potential and how it relates to our doubts and fears. But, have you ever stopped to think about what might be holding you back from reaching your full potential? Well, I'm here to tell you that the only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Our own self-doubt and uncertainty can prevent us from fully realizing our potential and achieving success in the future. But, the good news is that we have the power to overcome these doubts and fears. It starts with believing in ourselves and our abilities. It's important to remind ourselves that our potential is limitless and that we have what it takes to achieve our goals. So, my challenge for you today is to take a moment to reflect on the doubts and fears that might be holding you back. Identify them, acknowledge them, and start working on them one by one. Remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. And when you love what you do, you will start to believe in yourself and your abilities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care and have a great day.